Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you my Glam Witch Halloween Topiary. This is one of those projects that my vision isn't my end result, but I still think that it turned out kind of cute. So what you'll need from Dollar Tree are one of these candlesticks, and you'll also need one of these candle plates. This is what my topiary will be standing on. Then I needed 3 balls of varying sizes, so I chose the foam football, the foam baseball, and that little ankle skipper toy. And then I needed some party beads. Black party beads were actually found at Goodwill. They were 49 cents a package, so I scored that. That was a score. And I chose purple and orange as well. And then one of these little witch hats. They were actually a pick, and I used these little spider LED lights. And then since we're going with the little witchy thing, I used one of these little brooms that came in a 3-pack. To keep all the balls together, I did use a dowel, and the dowel was just as high as the 3 balls would be once they were together. So the first thing I did was I took my plate and my candlestick and I used flat black spray paint and I gave them a quick coat. I only painted the top of the plate so that I could use my Gorilla Glue once the paint was dry, to put the 2 pieces together, and I let them set overnight to whatever it's called, cure. Then I took a serrated knife and I cut part of my basketball off so that it would sit flat, and then I did the same thing with the baseball, but I only did one end. I didn't do both ends on the baseball, even though that one's in the middle. And then I just removed the ball from the actual rope for the ankle toy, and maybe we'll use that in another project one day. Then I used my dowel to poke holes inside my ball, and look what I did. I made my ball explode, but that's okay. Super glue, and I sealed it right back together again. So then I just gave each ball a quick cover of paint because I wasn't sure if you would be able to see the color underneath if the beads didn't line up right. So here you see I did, my dowel is going to be as tall as the 3 balls put together. And then with hot glue, lots and lots of hot glue, I started to wrap my beads, the black on the basketball, and I just kept going until I reached the top of the ball, and I put the orange ball on it just so that I would know where to end with my black beads. And then I started putting the orange beads on, just where the black beads ended. And then with lots and lots of hot glue, I just continued wrapping the orange beads around the orange ball until I got to the purple ball. So you can see the orange underneath, so I'm glad that I actually painted them first. So next I'm going to add the purple beads in the same manner that I did the black and the orange. And then my topiary was pretty much done. But I thought, oh, wouldn't this look cute with a little witch's hat? And I happened to have a green one left over, and I added the little broom, and then I added the little spider lights, and that worked out really well because there's lots of glue strings, so they look like spider webs. Added bonus. And that's the little lights lit up, and here I have it temporarily in my dining room just for this picture. It'll be going with my Halloween decorations shortly. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. We'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.